How to add follow feature on BuddyPress. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add follow feature on BuddyPress. With this feature, your members can follow each other like big social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to download BuddyPress Follow plugin. This plugin is free. You can download it from URL we put on the description of this video. After download the plugin, upload and install it into your WordPress site. And then activate it. Let's see the result. Now your members can follow each other by click follow button the profile page or members directory card. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next